A lot of traders, when they see a break-even equity graph, they are tempted to assume that their trading strategy is broken and it's time for a new strategy. But what we have seen over the last 10 years is that the answer is often somewhere else. So when we are looking at the whole equity graph, let's just take a look at all of those trades where the trader broke his rules. In Edgewonk, what we do is we open the advanced filters, and then under entry comments, we only select those trading behaviors that identify a negative trading action or trading decision. And we can see, of course, when you are only looking at those trades where you broke your rules, you are in a significant drawdown. This is as expected. But what is often surprising is when you look at your entry comments and you only look at those trades where you 100% followed your rules and you only executed trades that are in line with your trading strategy, very often your equity graph is going to look like this. And this is going to be one of the biggest aha moments a trader can have in his trading journey. This means that the trading system is working as intended. It is profitable at its core. We can't stress enough how big of a revelation this can be for a trader once he sees that when he's following his rules, he is making money. This then shifts the focus from the need to jump ship and go and look for a new trading strategy to start working on his own framework, his own trading approach, so that he can avoid more mistakes that he has made in the past, and he can enter more of that headspace where he is taking good trades. So in your Edgewonk journal, try this. Open your advanced filters and search and filter for trades where you followed your rules versus where you broke them. What does it look like for you? And if you have not used your tagging system in Edgewonk, start very simple. Under settings, go to your trade comments, and under entry comments, you can start simple. Just add a comment for broke your trading rules and one for good entry, and then start tagging your trades. And then in a very short amount of time, you will get meaningful insights into your trading behavior, and you will see if your strategy is the problem or maybe it's even you.